Welcome back to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we're exploring the 3 best compass application for Android, and I'll be breaking down their features and design, one by one. Now, let's get started. At number 3 on our list, we have Compass Steel 3D. This app holds a strong 4.7 out of 5 rating, with over 82,000 reviews, making it one of the most trusted compass tools available. It's designed as an ad-free, marine-style compass that is both elegant and easy to use. Here are 3 standout features. Elegant design, giving you a premium and realistic marine compass look. Light or dark background, letting you choose a style that fits your environment. Rich in features, with sun and moon positions, rise and set times, and even optional advanced modes. Now let's quickly walk through the user interface. When I tap the drop-down menu, I can access different viewing options and tools. Going into settings, I see customization choices like themes, compass modes, and location options. Finally, under calibration, the app guides you through aligning the compass for accurate readings. At number 2 on our list, we have Compass and Altimeter. This app has an impressive 4.8 out of 5 rating, with over 118,000 reviews, making it one of the most reliable choices for both direction and elevation tracking. Its main purpose is to give you accurate geographic north and true altitude above sea level, even without network access. Here are 3 standout features. Works offline. You can use the compass and altitude functions without needing internet or data. Multiple formats. It supports coordinates in UTM, MGRS, British Grid, Swiss Grid, and more. Customization, with various dials, color themes, and even a bubble level option. Now, let's take a look at the user interface. When I tap the 3 dots, I find quick access to settings and extra options. Moving to the compass, the display clearly shows geographic north along with angle measurements. Under dials and colors, I can switch themes, choose different layouts, and even enable high contrast for visibility. Finally, with live tracking of altitude, the app displays true altitude above sea level using GPS and the Earth gravitational model for high accuracy. At number 1 on our list, we have Digital Compass by Axiomatic. This app has a strong 4.7 out of 5 rating with over 507,000 reviews, making it one of the most popular and trusted compass apps worldwide. Its main purpose is to deliver high-precision navigation with a beautifully designed digital interface. Here are 3 standout features. Accurate navigation, with both true heading and magnetic heading support. Extra tools, including a slope level meter and sensor status display. Location details, showing latitude, longitude, and even your current address. Now, let's explore the user interface. Inside settings, you'll find options to adjust how the compass displays and works. Moving into the compass screen, you see a clean and precise dial that reacts smoothly to direction changes. Tapping current location brings up your latitude, longitude, and address, helping you track exactly where you are. Finally, the magnetic heading feature shows the direction based on Earth's magnetic field, giving you highly reliable navigation. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more helpful app guides.